How to get rid of weed smell on clothes, detailed guide. Puff, puff, pass, and now your clothes have that distinct weed smell. Don't worry, we've got you covered. If you're tired of feeling like a walking advertisement for your favorite strain, it's time to learn the tricks of the trade on how to get rid of weed smell on clothes. So, put down the air freshener and get ready to step up your laundry game with this detailed guide. You'll be smelling fresh as a daisy in no time. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Pre-wash treatment. Let's talk about the pre-wash treatment options for getting rid of the weed smell on your clothes. The first option is soaking your clothes in vinegar. This is a simple and effective method. To start, fill a basin or sink with cold water and white vinegar. You can use any kind of white vinegar, but it's recommended to use distilled white vinegar. The ratio of water to vinegar can be 1:1, but you can use more water if you prefer. Next, soak your clothes in the solution for 30 minutes to 1 hour. During this time, the vinegar will help neutralize the weed smell. After the soaking time is up, rinse your clothes thoroughly with cold water. This will help remove any residual vinegar and odor. The second option is using baking soda. First of all, mix a solution of 4 parts water to 1 part baking soda. After creating the mixture, follow the same instructions for soaking and rinsing we just talked about. These pre-wash treatments can be done on your clothes separately or together, depending on the severity of the smell. The important thing is to let the clothes soak for a good amount of time to neutralize the odor. Make sure to check the care labels on your clothes before trying any of these methods. This is important as some fabrics may be damaged by vinegar or baking soda. Washing. Alright, let's move on to the actual laundry day. Start by washing your clothes in warm water. It's more effective at removing the weed compounds causing the smell than cold water. Furthermore, hot water may cause the smell to set in the fabric instead of removing it. The washing process is straightforward. As we said, you need warm water and laundry detergent. You can use any kind of laundry detergent. However, it's recommended to use a high-quality, scent-free detergent. In addition to the detergent, you can add a cup of white vinegar or baking soda to the wash. If you did the pre-wash treatment, you can skip this step. Finally, be sure to wash your clothes on the longest cycle possible. This will increase the odds that all the smell is removed. After washing the clothes, dry them outdoors in direct sunlight. This takes advantage of the natural power of the sunlight's UV rays to eliminate the weed smell. Ensure that you leave the clothes to dry for at least 2 hours. Post-wash maintenance. Finally, let's talk about post-wash maintenance. Even after you've successfully removed the weed smell, you need to ensure that the odor doesn't return. The first step is to store your clothes properly. Make sure that your clothes are protected from any lingering weed smell in the environment. One of the best ways to do this is to store your clothes in airtight containers or plastic bags. Just make sure to choose containers or bags that are large enough to hold your clothes. This will prevent them from getting crushed or wrinkled. Furthermore, you can use products such as activated charcoal bags or scented sachets to help keep your clothes smelling fresh. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.